The Strumet Metal Products plant specializes in metal processing and production of welded steel structures. With considerable experience and an extensive machine stock, we offer a wide range of services in the scope of laser cutting, bending, stamping, milling, turning, welding of finished products, and the application of anti-corrosion coatings. As of today, we can say we are one of the most important companies in the field of storage and logistics systems production in Europe. We have managed, through hard work and many years of excellent customer service, to work our way to the top. We have the EN 1090 Factory Production Control Certificate, which permits us to perform the construction of welded load-bearing structures and to label them with the CE mark. In 2019, we have expanded our services to include plastic treatment by injection molding. For this purpose, a research and development center has been established, which, in addition to optimizing process parameters, deals with designing and making injection molds. Strumet started its operations in 1995 and has been developing dynamically ever since. We have our own design office where we employ a dozen or so thoroughly educated engineers furnished with the latest design software. Additionally, we have a well-equipped tool shop where, besides providing space for production tooling, product prototypes are created. The basic materials for production are steel sheets and profiles, of which we use 25,000 tons a year, which is half the weight of the famous Titanic. We only work with reliable suppliers, and the purchased steel is subject to incoming inspection and stored inside warehouses. Machining takes place in the cutting shop and in the CNC computer control department. The cutting shop is equipped with traditional machines such as saws, sheet metal guillotines, press brakes and eccentric presses. In the CNC department, there are 4 milling machine centers, a planer mill, a tube bending station, 3 automatic lathes, 7 laser plotters for cutting sheet metal, 3 machines for laser cutting of tubes and profiles, and 2 plasma plotters for cutting sheet metal. The main joining technique is welding and carried out in a traditional welding shop by 50 qualified welders and on robotized welding stations. Welding operations are supervised by the chief welder, and their highest quality is confirmed by the Welding Institute and TÜV Nord. Depending on customer requirements, the finished products can be powder coated, hot galvanized or cold galvanized. We have a highly efficient automated powder coating line. Our hot galvanizing plant is one of the largest in the Podbeskidzia region. The maximum dimensions of the structure that can be galvanized are 10.2 meters long, 1.4 meters wide, and 2.7 meters high. In June 2020, we launched a modern automated cold galvanizing plant in which we galvanize structures up to 2.8 meters long, 0.8 meters wide, and 1.8 meters high. In order to get a coating that meets our customers' expectations and complies with ISO standards, we have to carry out a daily analysis here in the lab to maintain the proper concentrations on the process paths. Both galvanizing plants also carry out external orders. The whole production process, from the receipt of the material to the release of the finished product, is supervised by our quality control department. In addition to basic measuring tools, competent inspectors also have a measuring laboratory at their disposal, equipped with measuring arms and an optical measuring system. The operation of the plant is carried out with care for the natural environment. We carefully segregate waste, most of which is recycled. The plant's installation generates no industrial wastewater, and emissions to the air do not exceed stringent permissible standards. We offer a comprehensive implementation of orders from design to the finished product. We ensure short lead times, competitive prices, and the highest quality of service.